out here with the Zino 2. Oh, it's been a year since I flew this thing. Let me just start up some video. We'll do that. Like I said in the little short, it keeps wanting to go up in the air all the time. It doesn't want to stay down here too low. I got it to the sport mode. The sport mode, it has to be up higher than 5 meters to kick in the sport mode. I think there's a little bit of glare going on out here with this sun. It's like early evening. I think it's like about 6 p.m. and this sun is starting to glare a lot, so let's see what's happening over here at the park. Nothing. As usual, what's happening around at this park? Nothing. Maybe you see some turkeys or something. That's about all you're going to get at this place. That glare. Well, this camera on the Zino 2 never really was that good. It always had a lot of lens flare on it. It always had a lot of lens flare on it. Even I remember from the other flights I had. I'm just gonna put it back in a normal mode. That's fast enough for this size of a park. Yeah, it flies good, man. Zino 2. Yeah, it's been 1 year since I took it out and flew it. 1 year. Still flying good though. Wow, yeah. Still flying great. Wow. Yeah, the old Zino 2 is a real beast, man. This thing, I mean, it's big and it's heavy. It's like a Evo 2. It's like that size of, it's bigger than a regular Evo. Bigger and heavier, I believe. It's more on the Evo 2 side of big and heavy. But it still flies great, man. Flying fantastic. Yep. Flying great. I'm going to cut that video. Yeah, flying real good. It does do that up and down. It's it's a Zino, as Gorilla Man would say. They all do it. They all do this bobbing up and down. Now you can run in at anything you want. I don't think it has obstacle avoidance. It's a Zino. take a couple of photos here. Okay, still good. Yay! Zino! Zino 2, I should say. Did I ever hand catch the Zino? I don't know if I ever caught the Zino 2 or not. Let's give it a shot. Land in place. Okay, we'll try that. Okay, that did it. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the Evo, but not as heavy as big as the Evo 2. But it is a monster. I can tell you that right now. This thing is a beast. All right, guys, man. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.
That's all, folks.